Bodor's self-developed intelligent cutting parameter AutoMatch function utilizes our laser cutting process database to provide users with intuitive cutting parameter adjustments. To get started, all users need to do is comparing the cutting sample with the built-in pictures and choosing the best match from them. The intelligent cutting parameter AutoMatch function will automatically position and input optimized cutting parameters, achieving high-quality results without manual adjustment. Users can save parameters with the best cutting performance for future manufacturing. There's no need to wait for parameter adjustment from customer service to get superior cutting quality. With Bodor's intelligent cutting parameter AutoMatch technique, you will get lower operation spending, lower labor costs, higher production efficiency.
Bodor, dare to dream.